friends. My name is Miss Adrian. Welcome to Storytime at my house. Lately, when Little Bear and I have been out for our walks in the neighborhood, we've been noticing a lot of very, very busy squirrels. Have you seen that too? Sometimes we'll see a squirrel that has an acorn or a nut in its mouth, and then we'll see him go over to the ground and dig, 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 dig so fast with those paws, and then plop, drop the acorn in and pat, 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 pat. Bury it nice and safe. Those squirrels are so busy because they're getting ready for winter when it's going to be colder and there won't be as much food ready for them. And then they can go during the winter and they can dig, 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 dig and find that nut and yum, eat it up. Well, you know, George doesn't really have to worry about saving food for winter. He lives inside with me all year. Well, sometimes he'll go to the library to visit or to a school to see the children. But I always make sure he has enough to eat. But I thought since we were talking about squirrels, I thought that George could help us with a flannel board story. Little Bear will sit right here and watch. And we'll take a look over here at this tree. And you see at the bottom of the tree are 1, 2, 3 acorns. Those are big acorns, aren't they? Lucky for George. He likes acorns. Down around the corner by the big oak tree were 3 little acorns looking so yummy. Along came a squirrel with a big bushy tail. He took that acorn and ran off down the trail. Plop. Down around the corner by the big oak tree were 2 little acorns looking so yummy. Along came a squirrel with a big bushy tail. He took that acorn and ran off down the trail. Plop. There's one left. Down around the corner by the big oak tree was 1 little acorn looking so yummy. Along came a squirrel with a big bushy tail. He took that acorn and ran off down the trail. Plop. There. Now George has 3 acorns. He noticed something else over there by the table though. Look at that. It's a shaker. George is going to pretend it's an acorn. And he wants to do that because he knows that there's a song that I like to sing that Little Bear thinks is so funny. And George can shake the shaker along to the words of the song. I'm an acorn small and round, lying on the cold, cold ground. People always step on me. That is why I'm cracked, you see. I'm a nut. 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 That is silly, isn't it? Little Bear really likes that. We'll do that one more time. You can sit here, Little Bear. George has the shaker. Okay. Oh, I should say George has the acorn, because that's what we're pretending it is. I'm an acorn small and round, lying on the cold, cold ground. People always step on me. That is why I'm cracked, you see. I'm a nut. 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 Oh, that is a funny one. Well, it's time for us to go now, and you know what I think we'll do? I think we'll go for another walk, and I think this time we'll count to see how many squirrels we can see on our walk. I think that's a good idea. Well, I hope to see you all soon at the Westmont Library. Until then, remember, be kind to each other. Goodbye, friends.